Hi, in this video we're going to have a brief look at the mixer. Before us we have a project which has 8 audio tracks in there, and there are various ways that we can look at these tracks in the mixer view instead of this sort of like tracking view that we have here. So there's various ways of actually doing this. We have up here, there's a little diagram here with sort of mixer faders on there. If we sort of click on that, that brings up a, a view of the mixer. If you've got a larger screen, this would actually sort of look better, but this is done on a MacBook Pro, so it's a bit smaller, but we can sort of extend that sort of beyond that, and then now if we play our track, better than the fish, the sharks, and even become the real, because we see that we've got our like a standard sort of mixer that we've actually got there. So that's one way of viewing it. The second way of viewing the mixer, which is opens it up into a different window. If we click on window and then open mixer, so we can either click that, or if we do the command key and the number 2, this will do it as well. So this gives us here an overview of the mixer. It means that we can sort of look at sort of vertic things based upon it. So here we've basically got a fader, we've got a name, and we've got all the mute, solo, record sort of functions that we can do there. If you remember that we have our pan, so we could pan our tracks, and then we've got these on the right hand of each channel. We have a basically it's shown as if our audio is actually clipping. So we can sort of change the sort of faders to actually create a mix of the track. So you could create, basically moving these allows us to sort of do a mix of that. The important thing to sort of look out for is these, and then this gives us our overall level. So if we have a look at this section here gives us a look at our overall track. There we go. So that's just a brief look at the mixer.